Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make lentils curry. It's a Sri Lankan lentils curry. Let's see what ingredients we need to make Sri Lankan lentils curry. We need lentils. We can buy it from a supermarket. And we need to take 2 handfuls of lentils, 3 cloves of garlic, 8 curry leaves, half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add according to your preference. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, half an onion and coconut milk. Now we are going to take a pan and we are going to put the 2 handfuls of lentils into the pan and we are going to wash it thoroughly and rinse it well. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to peel the onion and we are going to chop it in half and we are going to cut it into small pieces. Then we are going to peel the 3 cloves of garlic and chop it into small pieces. Next, we are going to add chili powder, turmeric powder, curry powder, garlic, onion, salt and curry leaves into the pan and we are going to mix it thoroughly by hand or spoon. Then what we are going to do, we are going to add 500 milliliters of water and then we are going to place the pan on a hob. In a medium heat, we are going to cook it thoroughly until all the water evaporate. Don't let it burn. And then we are going to add coconut milk into the curry, lentils curry, and then we are going to mix it well and simmer it for 5 minutes in low heat. That's it. You can now enjoy lentils curry with rice or roti. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments. I will reply as soon as possible. Enjoy.